On June 21, 2025, a trooper observed a white Jeep Grand Cherokee traveling at 110 miles per hour in a 70 zone on Interstate 49, near mile marker 76. When the trooper attempted a traffic stop, the driver refused to stop and initiated a pursuit.
Yeah, he's about to cause an accident. Maybe 1037. Just took the 73. I believe I'll be 1037. Okay, he's getting back on the interstate. He's getting back on the interstate, southbound.
The suspect fled recklessly, swerving across all lanes of traffic at high speeds. He exited at the South 73 ramp, passed vehicles dangerously, and sped through the intersection at Elm Springs Road in an attempt to re-enter the interstate.
He's stopping here just south of the interstate. It'll be a Razorback tag. Boy, Robert, Tom, King, Tom. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out of the car! Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
As the trooper caught up, the Jeep appeared to stall momentarily before pulling to the shoulder. The driver was ordered out at gunpoint, complied, and was taken into custody. On April 26, 2025, a trooper observed a white Dodge Charger speeding at approximately 100 miles per hour on Interstate 30 near mile marker 138. The driver was also making unsafe lane changes without signaling. A traffic stop was attempted, but the driver slowed briefly and then accelerated again, refusing to pull over.
West at the 131. 137. Correction, 137. Boy, Edward Union. 81 Henry. Boy, Edward Union. 81 Henry. It's a white Charger. Yeah, they're drunk. It's going to be 81 Henry. Boy, Edward Union. 81 Henry.
The suspect continued fleeing at high speeds, reaching up to 85 miles per hour, weaving between lanes, and refusing to stop despite emergency lights and sirens. He passed several exits while showing no regard for traffic laws or public safety.
Just information, Jefferson.
After passing exit 134 and continuing to flee, the trooper performed a pit maneuver near the 134-mile marker, successfully bringing the vehicle to a stop.
Why y'all rig me, man? Watch the car. Turn around. Rig me, man. Turn around. Why y'all rig me? Hold on. You got him? Why y'all rig me? I'm gonna quit park. Why you rig me? Put your hand. Give me your left hand. How much you had to drink? No. Lose your bumper. Why y'all ring me? Why you ring me? I was going. You didn't want to pull over. I was going. And you were. You're going about 80, 85. Get on the outside lane, bumper and headlight.
On April 8th, 2025, troopers Adrian Belcher and another unit were notified by dispatch that Dardanelle Police Department was in pursuit of a green Chevrolet S10 pickup truck. The pursuit was initiated for defective equipment, and the passenger was seen throwing suspected illegal substances from the vehicle while traveling south on State Highway 7.
State primary. 13 calls.
We're east on North 2nd Street. For all units, that will be direct. That will be direct. Passing Gold Street on 2nd Street. Tim. The Tim said TBI.
Troopers arrived and took over the pursuit at the intersection of State Highway 7 and East Spring Street. Shortly after, a successful pit maneuver was performed, sending the suspect vehicle off the road.
Get off me! Why you hit me for? I ain't do nothing. I ain't do nothing to hit you. You ain't gotta me. Don't hit me.
Shut your mouth.
Don't
Give me your arm.
don't hit me, man.
Give me your arm.
No. Hey, I'll give you my arm.
Put your arm behind your back.
Now! Give us your arm!
All right, we're good.
Hey, you ain't gotta play with this shit.
You don't have to run either. And put everybody else in danger.
What's wrong, man? I ain't do nothing to get pulled over.
Yeah. Okay, buddy.
I didn't do nothing.
Get up.
Well, she didn't do a goddamn thing. She didn't do nothing wrong.
The driver, identified as Craig Sebastian, attempted to flee on foot, but was quickly tackled and taken into custody by a trooper. The passenger, Michaela Bowden, remained in the vehicle and was arrested without further incident by Dardanelle police.
Well, all right. Yeah.
I was about to go get my car.
When I saw him, I thought you would stay with this. I was going to cross over.
Well, they were right behind me, so I was going to go meet y'all if he made it over there and chase him with the car.
East of Highway 7.
What do you need from our side for this? Everything that y'all have.
Near the post office.
Pursuit, hopefully the drugs.
They're out looking for it right now. Scott Moore is heading up there, and L2's out looking right now. So.
They're out there.
Who was primary? There? Okay. or secondary?
Yeah, but yell at him, so give him whatever he needs.
Okay. Yeah, we'll go with you just for a little while, man.
30 to 13.
I'm surprised we caught up.
Well, I heard y'all on the bridge, so I was like, oh.
Well, I went to Cherry Street, which was on the other side.
That's a bad thing, the delay in radio transmission.
Yeah.